So this is US oil analysis for Friday the 16th of February. Now let's have a look at what happened with prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we found support at the 58.28. We've had this very strong move to the upside, and we did come into an area of confluence. We came into this area in around the 61.48, and where we do have the significant level marked out here in red, 61.48. In around the 61.48, we also had the 200 period moving average, further adding to the confidence, increasing likelihood of seeing sell side momentum come into the market. That's pretty much what we saw. We saw the sell side momentum come into the market, trading below the 60.25 all the way down to the $60 a barrel mark. Now we traded slightly below the $60 a barrel mark, from which we did see buy side momentum come into the market from the $60 barrel mark for another move up, a trade through the 200 period moving average, and a move up towards that 61.48. Now where we are at present. If we do break above 61.48 and hold on to that level, that we will be looking for further upside continuation all the way up to 62.54, the very next significant level marked out here in red, where we could potentially see sell side momentum come back into the market for another test of 61.48 from above. If we do successfully at 62.54, we'll be looking for a price head up towards that 63.05. In around 63.05, we have the added confluence of the 400 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of seeing sell side momentum come into the market. Could potentially bring us back down towards that $62 barrel mark, or down towards 62.54, or depending on market volatility, down to 61.48, from which we do expect to possibly see for support for further upside continuation. If we do successfully break the 400 period moving average as well as 63.05, we'll look for a price head up towards that 63.76. Can't anticipate prices moving much beyond 63.76 here on Friday, the 16th of February. If, however, we do break down from where we are present, if we do form a bit of a double top and we do see the further breakdown in prices, we'll look to see our prices react around the $60 barrel mark. If we do successfully navigate $60 barrel mark, we'll look for price head towards our $59 barrel mark. And beyond 59, we are looking for prices to head back all the way down and retrace this entire move down towards our 58.28. I can't anticipate prices moving much beyond, say, the 58.28. Currently, we're trading at 61.47. So in reality, prices may not get much below, say, 59.31 or even the $59 barrel mark. This may potentially be the far end of range to the downside on the 16th of February. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Overall, on the high time frames, we were in a strong uptrend, but more recently the very strong and sharp sell-off we have seen means that the outlook on the US oil is somewhat it's a bit more neutral than we were before. So just to highlight what I was saying here, I'll just show you. So we've had this very strong move to the upside, but this very sharp sell-off all the way down to an area where we could potentially find support means that we've shifted somewhat neutral. But overall, this trend is to the upside, so this could just be a pullback in the grand scheme of things. After posting this significantly, well, it's a pretty large bullish candle here, and we've had a follow through again. We do look poised for further upside momentum, possibly bring us up towards that $66 barrel mark, but we do remain somewhat cautious. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.